Ever wonder what it would be like to be in a Christmas swap and to have a Secret Santa? Make sure you catch one of these videos. Christmas in July Swap 2026 has been so much fun, Secret Santa style. We're on to our last of our swap unpackaging, and then I will have one more video to show how I made my swap partner stuff. I'm Amber Scott from Mountain Nittany Creations, and welcome to my channel. Let's go down to the table and check out what my secrets reveal of my Secret Santa. So exciting! Yay! Ooh, feels like some kind of journal. Okay. Let's see what my Secret Santa made me. Oh my goodness. And also find out who they are, because they've been amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Amazing. Ah, can you tell I'm excited? I can't wait. Oh. Ah. Ooh, there's my note. There's my note. So this swap has, just so before I finish this, let me pull out. So this swap was put together. Sorry, just trying to find my front page. I'm working on getting another swap put together, so. Oh, there it is. All right, here we go. So I want to thank our awesome host, Carol at Crinkled Path, and then her co-host, Trish at Crafting Wisby, Susan and I Totally Love It, Angela at the Traveling Crafter, and Sierra at Coolie Craft Corner. Thank you so much. You can make sure you follow the hashtag Christmas in July Swap 2026, and you can see all of, you don't need to see my planner, all of the other swaps and creations. It has been such an enjoyment, so much fun working with all these different YouTube channels and ladies. It has been such a pleasure, and I've had so much fun. So thank you to everybody participating. I've really enjoyed watching all of your videos. So let's get down to the table and open my last one. Oops. My heat ripping tissue paper. I can't. Oh, how cute is that card? Oh my goodness. Let's see. From Stacy Bell at Junkie Cat Junction. That was not my guess, but awesome. Thank you, Stacy. May you have a Merry Christmas and a sparkling New Year. I hope you enjoy all the items and find a use for them. Please share with friends if you want. Love, Stacy at Junkie Cat Junction. Yay, Stacy! So fun to find out who was sending me all my pretties. Ooh, it feels exciting. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be able to reuse this tissue paper. Oh well, that's okay. Wowzers. Oh my goodness. I can't remember. I think her channel, and everybody will be linked in the description. Oops, something fell out here. Figure out where that came from. She does a lot of like, I think cookbooks and stuff, so this seems, look at this, look at the signatures and everything. Holy cow. And I love the bright colors. Yay. Oh my gosh, oh my goodness. Oh, this is where the goodies came from. Okay. Look at these. Oh my gosh. How adorable are they? I bet you they came from this pocket. There we go. I love this. What a great idea to take one of these old books and rebind it for this. Oh my gosh. Okay. I don't know what to look at first. So much good. Oh, you hit it right on the head. I love vintage Christmas stuff, but particularly from like the 50s and stuff, and looks like you got me some. Look at that, Let's get everything out. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Oh, that's stuck on. Oh, how cute is that? All right, I'll have to save that. Oh, look at the bric-a-brac. I forget how you say that. And Christmas. Oh, I love it. I wonder if that's vintage or you made it. Oh, how adorable. Oh, tassels, of course. Awesome. Love the tassels. This wrapping paper. Oh, it makes me miss my grandma so much. So pretty. It looks like a newer version, and it definitely is thicker, but that's okay. I love the vintage look. Thank you for sharing that. Wow. Aw, some music paper. Look at these cute stickers. Did you make these? How fun. How adorable. I love this. Betcha she made that. How fun is that? Oh, another cute little ephemera. Ooh, what are these? Oh, I can make my own box from mini ornaments. Thank you for making that. Oh my goodness. Where did you find something like that? Please share. How cool is Oh, this is truly, she had this pink wrapping paper, that everything was wrapped in. This is so much like my grandma. Oh, I miss her. Oh my goodness. Oh, what a cute little journal with the vintage. Oh my goodness, you have spoiled me, girl. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh man. Oh, it makes me think of my grandma so much. Both my grandmas, but particularly one grandma had all this kind of stuff. Oh. Gummed labels and vintage ephemera. Oh my goodness. Whoa, that's so fun. Oh, and the envelope's adorable. So fun. Oh, look at the, wow, this is so cool. Oh, you truly spoiled me, girl. Thank you. Oh, I love all the 25 cents or 25, 20, like 2 for, that's so fun. What a fun way. Oh my goodness. Paper Harbor Company. Very fun. Gum labels. Try me. Paper Harbor. Aw, these are amazing. Oh my goodness. Oh, you truly spoiled me. Aw. Oh, and you kept some of the pages from the original book. Oh. Oh. Look at that. Oh my gosh. My grandma, I think both of my grandmas. I know my one grandma had these ornaments. Oh. Oh, how fun. Oh, wow. Did you make all these cute little mini crochet stuff? Oh, oh, look at the pictures. I love this. Oh, so beautiful. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Cuddle up with a pillow. How adorable is that? You make an amazing junk journal. Thank you so much. Look, another. Oh, how adorable. Ooh, like an old placemat. I remember these. Oh, that is so cute. I'm going. I'm heading for the ice skating rink in New York City. Oh, the trees are talking. How cute is that? And I'm going to my grandmother's, other people, all kinds. Oh, a seek and find. How fun. Oh, I want to see how much. Oh, how cool are those? Made from elegant packages and ice cream cartons. Wow, those are pretty. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. I'm in love. I'm in love. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Stacy, you. Oh. I wonder if you circled this or somebody else did. Pronto raspberry foldovers. 2 sticks of pie crust mix, cream cheese, milk, and raspberry jam. That sounds pretty easy. Cool. Oh, some vintage wrapping paper. Wow. Look at this. Oh, all the bright colors. I mean, granted, I did fill out a survey of all the things I love and everything, so makes it easier to be spoiled. How cute is, oh my goodness. I love, oh my goodness. That's too cute. Ooh, some more of the fine, seek and find paper. Oh, how fun is that? Oh, sending you a course of good time. Aw, I love that idea. I've never put a card in like that. What a great signature idea. What is this? Santa bags. Oh, I remember these old, like, you know, what do you call it? How you, patterns. See? Ooh. I tossed them holly in ball and cot, and bade them right good cheer, but stayed me not in any spot, for I travelled around the year, to bring the Christmas joy, my dears, to your eyes so bonny and true, and a mistletoe bough for you, my dears, a mistletoe bough for you. I don't know that song. Fun. Ooh. Oh, I love, like, these colors. Oh, so oh, love that. Love that. Oh my goodness, love that. That page. Oh, so fun. Oh my goodness, what an amazing signature. And there's another. Oh. How to mail and package things. This lady looks interesting. In the kitchen, the 4 girls paraded, feeling down and depressed. The fridge quickly was raided. There were cookies and ice cream, hot cocoa to make, a salami or 2, and 3 types of cheesecake. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Fun ways to decorate your home. Oh, Christmas Tree. Such a great song. Hark the Herald. Look at this. And I can't, like, you did your signature so beautifully. Wow. Old time Christmas visitors. Oh, these ducky cards are so cute. Christmas star. I love everything you've mixed in. Oh, look at the Mary and Joseph. Oh, and away in a manger. That's beautiful. Oh, I could spend hours looking at. Ooh. What a fun way to do some scraps, like how to use one of those scrappy things. Oh my goodness. That's so cool. Sorry, I'm enjoying this too much. Oh, I guess this is like a photo Christmas card. What a great idea. I never thought of doing that. Oh, look at that paper. Wow. Oh, ooh, what is she doing? She's knitting somehow. I probably had something like this and this, yep. While shepherd watched their flock. I really like the greenish tint to these pages. The way they feel. Look at the R. Oh, look at Rudolph. Hope your holiday is decorated with fun. Look at, oh. I really love Victorian and Regency period times. So these are perfect. The first Noel. I love that bright red, like that solid red. Have a Christmas house. What fun. Oh, and I love craft books. I was wondering if that was Golden Girls. That is awesome. Oh my gosh, I love that book is Golden Girls. Love that show. Oh, they're a hoot. Wow. And another signature? Holy cow. Wow. Oh, this page is beautiful. All that you chose is so fun. Such great ideas. Like, look at these fun decorating ideas. And I love, like, what you've added. Like, I'm not a super lacy person, but this is just enough. Like, just a titch. Not an over amount. Gift ideas. Oh, look at all the season greetings words. This looks like from a Scotch tape roll. How fun is that? Ooh, look at Father Christmas. Angels in the snow. That's adorable. Oh. Oh, all this artwork is so gorgeous. Oh, so pretty. Oh, I like these. These are fun cards. Oh, I had artwork something like that. Makes me remind me of my childhood. Holy cow. Oh, more paper. I really love how you set this up. Oh, look at that. So pretty. Oh, the forest. That's adorable. Oh, look at that. Oh. I wonder if that's what kind of, like, what the original art was. I'm loving all of this. Thank you so much, Stacy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Have a sweet as sugar Christmas. Oh, feels like Christmas, this book. Feels like Christmas. Oh. I am just, oh, how pretty is that mantle? Oh, look at this pocket. Oh, how fun is that? Oh, dashing through the snow to wish you a happy holiday season. What a cute tag. Cute pocket. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh. Stacy, oh, thank you for all your beautiful little gifts and knickknacks, and you really nailed it. Oh, look at that. So fun. Thank you so much. Make sure you like and subscribe, and check out all the other crafters and bookbinders and everything that have joined in on this swap, and see all the amazing, beautiful creations and generosity. Happy Christmas in July, friends. Take care.